Now that we animated an object in linear mode, I'm gonna show you how to make it decelerate or accelerate and compare it to the linear mode. How can we do that? First of all, I'm gonna make it in linear mode again. The sphere is placed in the coordinate 0, 0, 0. I'm gonna activate auto key, and for 0, I'm gonna place a key, alright? I go to 72. I'm gonna place it on x-axis, but I'm gonna put exactly 500, okay? Then I can animate the other spheres with 500, and we can compare them. I place key here too. Look at what happens. It's moving 5 meters in 3 seconds. Alright, I'm gonna disable the auto key. It is still in linear mode, as you can see. Look, from here to here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this sphere down here. And copy, not an instance. I'm gonna delete its keyframes, so if I slide, one will be animated and the other not. Now let's do something. I'm gonna select, instead of linear mode, we're gonna use the other one. This curve that goes down. This is saying that it will break, alright? Check it out. I'm gonna select it too. Auto key. Frame it, key on it, I go to 72 and move it until 500, remember? 500, done. Take a look. So we have here. Look what happens when I compare it to the other. This is the curve that goes down. Now, I'm gonna duplicate it again. Actually, make a copy. It's here. I'm gonna delete these keyframes from here. Delete. And I'm gonna change the curve now to the other one, going up. What's gonna happen? Auto key, key, go here, move on X, set it to 500. Alright. Turn auto key off, and now we have 3 kinds of animation. Look, the 3 of them are different, and I want you to notice what's happening. I'm gonna press play, check it out. The first one, as you see, is in linear mode. The second, do you see what's going on? It accelerates and decelerates. I like to be able to understand. It is just like a swing. The fastest part is in the middle, and then it slows down, right? So we can compare it. It accelerates and decelerates in the end. Accelerates and decelerates, always in the midpoint. And the bottom one, as you can see, it starts fast, decelerates in the middle, and accelerates again. It is the opposite of a swing. It is just like when you're passing by a street radar. You are driving at 8 km/h, and there's a speed radar of 40 km/h. So you start braking at 40 km/h, and then accelerates again. So that's what's happening here. So this other curve, that's just for you to understand that there are different ways of animating when we are talking about animation, and each object that we animate needs a different type of animation, right? For example, as I just said, if there's a car passing by a speed bump, you're gonna make its animation braking and then accelerating. If it's a swing, it will be animated in a way that accelerates and then decelerates. If it's something linear, like a car passing by a street, you animate it linear. You want to do it like this, accelerating and decelerating. So you need to be careful with the type of movement that you're gonna make to the object when animating. Alright? So we just talked about the main type of curve. We call them animation curves, okay? Why curve? I'm gonna show you now, in the next class.